Egypt. The name conjures images of a distant past. We see towering pyramids and golden treasures. Mysterious hieroglyphs hint at forgotten knowledge. The river Nile, a source of life, flows through it all. Ancient Egypt continues to fascinate us. It was a civilization of incredible longevity and influence. For over 3,000 years, it flourished. Its art and architecture still inspire awe. Its beliefs and practices continue to intrigue. Why does ancient Egypt hold such a powerful grip on our imaginations? Perhaps it is the sheer scale of their achievements. The pyramids, for instance, are colossal feats of engineering, or maybe it is the mystery. We try to decipher the meaning of hieroglyphs and unravel the secrets of the tombs. Whatever the reason, one thing is certain. Ancient Egypt is a civilization that continues to resonate with us today. Its legacy lives on, not just in museums, but in our collective consciousness. Ancient Egypt was not a static civilization. It evolved over time, marked by distinct periods. These are often referred to as kingdoms. Each kingdom had its own characteristics, its triumphs and its challenges. Yet they were all connected by a shared culture, a shared belief system, and the lifeblood of the Nile River. To understand ancient Egypt, we must journey through these periods, each a chapter in a grand and sweeping narrative. The ancient Egyptians were masters of architecture. They built monumental structures that have withstood the test of time. The pyramids are the most famous example. These massive tombs were built for the pharaohs. The Great Pyramid of Giza is one of the 7 wonders of the ancient world. It is a testament to the Egyptians' architectural prowess. The precision and ingenuity involved in its construction continue to amaze us. But it wasn't just their monumental architecture that was impressive. The Egyptians also developed a system of writing. Hieroglyphics were more than just a way to record information. They were an art form, beautiful and complex. Hieroglyphs were used to decorate temple walls and tombs. They tell stories of gods and kings. They provide us with a glimpse into the beliefs and daily lives of the ancient Egyptians. The Egyptians were skilled mathematicians and astronomers. They developed a calendar system based on the solar year. This calendar had 365 days. It was divided into 12 months of 30 days each. They also used their knowledge of astronomy for practical purposes. For example, they used the stars to navigate the Nile River. Their understanding of mathematics was evident in their architectural achievements. The precise measurements and alignments of the pyramids are a testament to their mathematical skills. At the heart of ancient Egyptian civilization was the pharaoh. More than just a king, the pharaoh was considered a god on earth. He was the intermediary between the gods and the people. He was responsible for maintaining order and justice. He was also the protector of Egypt, both in life and in the afterlife. Some pharaohs were particularly influential. Akhenaten, for example, attempted to revolutionize Egyptian religion. He introduced the worship of a single god, Aten, the sun disk. This challenged the traditional polytheistic beliefs of the time. Tutankhamun, while not as politically significant as other pharaohs, is famous for his tomb. It was discovered in 1922, almost completely intact. The treasures found within provided an unprecedented glimpse into the wealth and splendor of the ancient Egyptian elite. Perhaps one of the most famous pharaohs was a woman, Cleopatra VII. She was the last ruler of Ptolemaic Egypt. Cleopatra was known for her intelligence, political acumen, and charm. She formed alliances with powerful Roman generals, including Julius Caesar and Mark Antony. Cleopatra's story, filled with political intrigue and tragic romance, has captivated audiences for centuries. She remains a symbol of ancient Egypt's enduring allure. Ancient Egypt may be long gone, but its legacy lives on. From the monuments that grace our landscapes to the ideas that continue to shape our world, the echoes of this ancient civilization can be felt all around us. The Egyptians made significant contributions to art, architecture, mathematics, astronomy, and medicine. Their influence can be seen in the development of Western civilization. The study of ancient Egypt continues to fascinate and inspire. Archaeologists are still uncovering new secrets. Historians are reinterpreting known facts, and the general public is as captivated as ever by the mysteries of the pharaohs. Ancient Egypt reminds us of the power of human ingenuity and creativity. It shows us what we can achieve when we work together towards a common goal. and it reminds us that even the greatest civilizations are not immune to the passage of time. The next time you see an image of a pyramid or read about a new archaeological discovery in Egypt, take a moment to appreciate the enduring legacy of this ancient civilization. It is a legacy that continues to shape our world even today.